your home can be a very stressful process, from appointing an agent to holding an open home to signing a contract of sale. There are so many unknowns to navigate. The reality of selling is that appearance and presentation really matter. Sellers should prepare themselves for the maintenance and presentation time it takes to successfully sell a property. When there is a for sale sign out the front of your home, it's imperative that the gardens and lawns are neat. If you are still living in the residence, then open homes can be an imposition. When it comes to the inside of the property, focus on safety and good working order. Consider you are entering the home for the first time and look for obvious and easy things to fix. For example, hinges, doorknobs and light switches. The recent spike in construction and labour costs may mean that any major renovation works may not get you a capital return. Also, think about who your target buyer is. Is it an investor, a young family, downsizers, or perhaps interstate migrants seeking a better lifestyle here in Queensland? Answering this question will help shape the way in which you present the house. And when it comes to presenting your house, there are a number of products and services to help you out. Hi, I'm Antonia Mercabella, CEO of the Real Estate Institute of Queensland. Thanks so much for watching this video, which is a segment from REIQ, a show produced by the REIQ to help provide insights into real estate for both people in the industry and consumers. I'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. Speaking of new videos, you might want to check out this one next.